You can eat it now.
Look at doesn't feel. Does it not feel like the? Look at Corey. She's sticking her finger in it. Look at.
Do you want to eat it? Nummy, nummy.
I'm not sure now, Mom. Look at her. Corey, what?
Is it nummy, nummy? Did you put it in your mouth?
I'm not sure she likes it. Look at it.
Do you like it? Is it nummy? Ah? Is it yummy?
She's licking it.
Are you licking it?
Look at it because it's slippery.
Say yummy, yummy. No, not your favorite.
What you got? What you got? Yummy. Yummy.